Residents of Kyenyi and Kabere parishes in Muko Sub County, Rubanda County West, have expressed grievances to the government over forced eviction and the destruction of their crop gardens and trees. This action is part of the government's campaign aimed at restoring wetlands, launched last week under tight security, affecting approximately 100 households.
Abataka bagizamu bagitema bali n'abamahe mingi kandi kunuya niyo twali twine kushe kanyenyonka umusheja kansigira abana mushanju kuyamara yafa tinyine cyo kubarebereza okundi nikondi kandi abo bana bona balega ngwenyo tine cyo gukora ndikushaba nko buyambe misiriyona bakagitema.
The affected residents witnessed the destruction of various crops including Irish potatoes, beans, cabbages, maize, eggplants and trees. This has heightened tension and raised concerns among the local community and some leaders.
Okwabijire kukora ico kintu kubitaba ekabe eri district ya Rubanda yona RDC akabariho DPS akabariho kahu akabariho abasiga batugambira ngo no buturakora iki tina iki turazwe gukora tina iturahababe ngo kwango wabohereza ni mukama wihanga president.
Felix Mubangizi and Twinamasiko Barnabus, residents impacted by the wetland restoration process, highlight a lack of sensitization about the initiative. They express fear of hunger and financial distress due to the loss of their crop gardens, emphasizing their inability to clear loans invested in their agricultural ventures.
Gwati jona ne jondo biti chiko chiro tukabikwa tulimu mutwe ne jondo abugamiza gabaje bakajachi bakachwamu
na ndire ni ya miliyoni 3 ejiro ni nari ndire ingurire membibo na mpinjiremo bushori mpinjiremo bihimba mpinjiremo mondi jona bija batabataba nyine family y'abana mukaga kandi bona bari mu ishomero nimwe nandi ya kasete ngeno neco kujya mu kati nshine.
Edith Nabasa and Annette Tugasima, also affected farmers, assert that they have used their land for years without any indication of it being a wetland. They claim proper acquisition of the land with legal titles and emphasize its role as their primary source of income.
Niwe yayikira ari twatwarikolesa konka buti kwiyamure kufaya firo kwezi kwa munano cyabona abantu barije baragira ngo itaka umune rufunjo ngene uti cyenda mu mfunjo twaguma turagira ngo hari nguru bari kufa kugama kuko baturaga baragamba hati twahinga bije misiriyona bagitema ndajyane mu muri kubireba kandi nanye ndo mufaka zitinye n'umushije ngene ritaka niryo ryari tubesizeho aryo turihame cyo kujya aryo turihame sente ngene turaho turi kubona munati cyine cyo.
John Chomugisha, owner of the destroyed 3 acres garden of Irish potato, laments the loss of substantial investment including funds from the president's parish development model. She anticipated a significant harvest but expressed disappointment with the government's action.
Akija abantu bari n'abasirikare bari n'abapolisi bazomisiri batandika kukura gusa musiri muhango gwe mundi kandi butiti nanyenda kutandika kushoroma mu bumondi zazabiro rurabo zona bazikura gusa ngende kwebuza nyenda kuba honte n'abana zikasigesha mu 20 mu terema abahinji binji ngende bintu bindi kubimpaka mpaka
waratekereza ngo za kwa mukesha uzinga zazezireje
kuzibagazezireje nyamugashaho makunyana cinteganisa ukabutiti nyine ngyasha kuhembibo kandi zosete zimwe nkanziro mu parish mu.
Other affected residents stressed the need for government's compensation before taking their land, emphasizing the long-standing use of these plots as their life reward.
We just saw people coming they were armed, they were with the RDC, so we never knew what was going on because they never sensitized us before. They just came and destroyed everything. Even they never gave us a chance to talk about our issues, so we don't know how we shall survive. We don't know how children will go back at school because you can see everything was destroyed. Crops were destroyed. People even now don't have what to eat, don't have what to invest, they don't have even seeds to plant. So it is our call to the government that at least they come and they support us or they give us the way forward to make sure that at least our life can continue.
Stephen Ampire Kasiaba, the chairperson for Rubanda district, condemns the cutting down of people's crops in the name of implementing the presidential directive. He criticizes the actions of NEMA and the Natural Resources Office, asserting that it deviates from the president's directives.
People in Kigezi own this land. Land is for the people. So while NEMA and the Natural Resources Office claim that they are effecting the presidential directive, the president has never directed them to go and cut people's crops. It is very, very, very unfair and unfortunate, and we condemn it in the strongest terms. They would have allowed people to grow their crops for a period of 3 months, while they are telling people that they are going to give them what to do in those wetlands.
Honorable Moses Kamuntu, the Rubanda County West legislator, deems the incident a tragic violation of the president's directive on wetland restoration. He disputes the destroyed areas being part of the designated wetland and announces the intention to pursue legal action for justice and compensation.
We are not going to watch as leaders to see our people being evicted, their crops being destroyed without any plan. If there is a plan of compensating them, because they have been staying on the same land for over 100 years. So you cannot come one day and say, go away. To where? Where should they go? And you know our terrain, Kigezi, naturally, you know, we have scarce land because of hills. And these people are claiming every valley is a wetland, which is not true.
Kamuntu declares that such acts of destroying people's gardens without proper sensitization will not be tolerated. He reveals plans to seek justice and compensation through legal proceedings.
We must protect our gardens, because if we don't do so, we will starve to death. Number two, we are going to court. We must be compensated. We are affected. And the president was clear on the issues of Kigezi and Bukedia. He said, for the time being, leave Kigezi and Bukedia. So where are these people getting directives? We don't know. As an area member of Parliament of Rubanda West, I will not see my people starve to death because somebody is trying to show that make accountability. She will not make accountability in Rubanda. We are not going to allow.
At least 100 farmers in Kyenyi and Kabere parishes were affected by this wave of forced eviction. Some residents have resorted to recultivating the destroyed gardens, citing the lack of alternative opinions. Nobati Nyamachi for Kigezi Television.